My name is Lindsay. I'm a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Winnipeg, working with Doctors Mary J. McCallum and Erin Millions. And I'd like to tell you a little about the guide that we've developed to help family and community members looking for information about what happened to loved ones who went away to an Indian hospital or sanatorium in Manitoba and never returned. We've developed this guide in response to requests that we've received from communities and family members who wanted this information to be able to do their own research. First, I'd like to tell you that we're continuing to do research, and we're going to update this guide as we learn more. For now, the guide offers general and specific information about where you might be able to find records relating to people who may have been sent to places like Brandon, Clearwater, Dinniver, Norway House, Fort Alexander, St. Boniface, which was also known as St. Vital, Churchill, and Nanette. The online guide begins with a welcome page and then moves to a page that talks about where to begin. Here it discusses some of the places you may want to contact early on because they may have important information that will help you in any further research. This page includes a link to a list of information you may want to try to gather before you start your own research. It also discusses why you may have to contact a lot of different places in your search. Research into patient lives and deaths can involve government records from Canada, Manitoba, and municipal governments, as well as from faith community archives, cemeteries, and funeral homes. This first page also includes some research tips to help you navigate your way through these records. These tips include different names some hospitals and sanatoriums were known by, information about patient transfers from one hospital to another, and how using wildcard characters can help you when searching databases. We hope that this research guide will help you in your search, and we value your feedback. If you have any information about other resources that might help people looking for what happened to their loved ones who went away to an Indian hospital or sanatorium and never returned, especially information about where they may be buried, please let us know. We will be updating this guide periodically as we find new information, so you may want to check back from time to time to see if we've added any new information that might be helpful to you.